Okay, this is a real example. So exactly as we saw before, this is just to repeat. I have my a is positive. That means my parabola, the original one, which is y, is equal to x squared. Now it should look up because my a is positive, and also my a is 2. That means my parabola should look smaller than the x squared, the original one. Now I have plus 1 here. So that means I shift my parabola left side 1 unit. Okay, I shift my parabola left side 1 unit. And because I have minus 3, I shift my parabola down side 3 units. And this is exactly what you have here. 1 unit to the left, which is minus 1, and 3 units downside, which is minus 3, and stretch it a little bit, like make it smaller than the original one. This is the original one, and I will get my graph, my equation graph.